Hey, real quick, I'm about to do quality inspection. Yesterday we cleaned this place and it's a very important client for us. It's one of our top tier clients. So I'll go inside and talk to the client, see how we did yesterday and where we need to improve. I wasn't able to come here last week due to some things that were happening, but definitely coming in this week to check it out. So I'll let you know how it goes. Normally, when I go in there, we make it very formal, and then they give me a chance to go around and check things out. All right, so I'll let you know how it goes. Quality assurance, quality control, quality management should be your thing. See you around. So this client is, they do jujitsu and then some physical fitness and stuff like that. So when I come to a place like this, I normally just want to take a look around and see places where we may have missed things. So just making sure that my staff clean the bench down, because when people left, they use the powder. So making sure that the bench is clean. You can follow me. I mean, floors like this are super important, and you need to vacuum them, and they use a special chemical for the rubber. So that is super critical. And then, just ideally, you take off your shoe and then you want to make sure. So always look up on your inspections, right? We have a spot here that's like have cobwebs. So the thing is that when staff come around in the night, sometimes it's hard to see things. So those are forgivable. It's that's why quality control is important. You can catch it before it becomes an issue. Want to look behind things. That's unfair. This room for this account is super critical. So when I come here, my staff knows to pay particular attention here. Is your studio, is your dance studio, and we got to make sure that things are done correctly, right? So when I come here, I pay particular attention. You're not gonna catch everything, but it's super important. Okay. All right.